How to connect your USPS to Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your USPS to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify account. Then, go to Dashboard, and on the left side of the screen, click Settings. Then, under click Settings, click Shipping and Delivery. Under Shipping, click General Shipping Rates. Scroll down and click the Add Rate. Then, click the rate type and choose Use Carrier or Opt to calculate rates. Here, select USPS from the carrier list. Carrier calculated rates are only available if you're on the Advanced Shopify or Shopify Plus, or if you're on the Shopify Basic plan, you need to pay for you to be able to add the feature. Choose the USPS services you want, like first class or priority mail, click Done, and then Save. That's how you connect USPS to Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.